Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the connection interrupted error code in Black Ops 6 and how to fix it. So the first thing that you guys can do is go over to Steam or Xbox app, wherever you open the game from, right click on it and hit run as an administrator. Once you open up Steam this way, you can go ahead and go to Call of Duty under library, right click on it, click on properties, and then from here click on installed files, and then go ahead and click on verify integrity of game files. Once that is done verifying, open up the game and check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is, instead of using a Wi-Fi connection, use a wired LAN cable instead. So use an Ethernet cable instead, if that is possible. If that is not possible, this the third method you guys can do is just simply restart your Wi-Fi router, and you can do that by unplugging the power cord and waiting about 30 seconds to a minute, and then replug the power cord back in, and then check to see if that fixes the issue. You can always restart your PC as well and restart the game as well. And once you do all of these things, you should be good to go and you should be set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.